Hello everyone, this is Melissa and this is my website. I have created a project on Books Library. On my website, there can be three kind of user. One is a guest user. This is a view that you are seeing for a guest user. If you are an admin, then there will be different view, and another user that can log in on my website is a registered user. So I'll go through the journey of each user with you guys today. So as a guest user, you can create an account. So it will ask you to create an account. It's a registration page, or you can browse a book. So you can click here and you can see all these books. A guest user can sort by title, author, or price of a book. They can also search with their filter criteria, and in order to buy a book, they have to click here to log in or register. They can also log in from here, clicking on a registered user. And if they don't have an account, then they have two options: either to click here to create an account, or they can click here to create an account. So if I already have an account, and if I am still on the registration page using the same username as that already exists in the database, then it will give me an error saying that username already exists. And if the confirm password and password does not match, then it will again give an error that the password does not match. So I have added all these kind of validations over here. If I'm submitting an empty form, it will give an error that all these fields are required. So this is all about the registration page. Now if I log in as an admin, so I already have an account. If I don't enter anything on this page, then it will ask me to enter the username and password. And if I enter, then it will log me in as an admin. So I'm admin now. And if I click on a browse book, you can see all these categories, and you can see that there is already a book in the films category, and all these categories are coming from the database. So if in future my company wants to add another category, so it's very easy to add it over here. And now if I click on all books, you can see these are all the books I have in my database so far. And an admin can create, edit, or delete a book. They can also sort based on the title, author, and price of a book. They can filter similar way as a guest user can do. They can do all the functionalities as a guest user, except they have additional functionality to create, edit, or delete a book. So if I click on create and just submit, it will ask me all the required fields. Or else if I enter the fields as required, it will create a book. And since I have created a book in the sports category, it's created in the sports category over here. So if I go to all books and click on edit, you can see the author is edited now, and I can delete. So it asks me, are you sure if you want to delete it? If I click on yes, then the book has been deleted. So that's all for the admin. Now if I log in as a registered user, I already have an account, so I'm logging in with that account. You can see that now I have a view of a cart, and I can log out from here. Now if I click on browse or browse the book, I can see all the options as a guest user, except I can add to cart. So right now if I click on my cart, it's empty. But if I click on add to cart and I enter the item, you can see that this item is added and the price has changed according to the quantity. If I continue shopping, add another item, you can see the quantity and the price has changed accordingly. I can edit my cart. like instead of 3, if I want 4, so my quantity has changed and price has changed accordingly. I can delete an item if I want. So you can see the item has been removed. And if I click on checkout, it will say that order has been placed successfully. So, but in the back end, the order is not getting placed. It's just removing the items from the shopping cart. So that will be a future functionality on my website that will allow actual order to be placed. Thank you.